Hello everyone, in this video I will guide everyone to create a Bitunix cryptocurrency exchange account. This is a newly emerged exchange and is trusted by many users. Why is that? Bitunix offers an industry-leading secure cryptocurrency trading platform, maintaining a robust reserve fund that exceeds a 1-to-1 ratio against user assets. Users can enjoy the benefits of efficient real-time online trading and start their crypto journey with as little as $10. Bitunix always updates the latest information on the crypto market. It helps users grasp opportunities faster, make timely decisions when trading. Bitunix ensures unlimited support service experience with 24/7 multilingual support, ensuring a smooth and satisfying trading experience. Now let's get to the main topic of the video, creating an account on the Bitunix Exchange. Currently, when opening an account, new users will have the opportunity to receive a welcome bonus of up to 5,500 USDT. Enter the email address used to register your account. Set password. Note: use referral code TOPTOP to get maximum welcome bonus from Bitunix Exchange. Click Sign Up. Open your email, check the verification code sent to your inbox. Copy the code and enter it in the blank box. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Bitunix account. To make a transaction, you need to KYC your account. Bitunix is currently offering new users a welcome bonus of up to 5,500 USDT. It includes transaction fee coupons, direct rewards, ETH, BTC, USDT. To receive rewards, new users need to complete tasks set by Bitunix. Wish you successful registration and reward receiving.